We're going to take a quick look at animation modifiers. First off is we're going to take a look at the melt modifier and then maybe the flex modifier. These other modifiers, skin, morph and linked X form, are fairly in depth and probably a little beyond this CD. We have done a morph earlier in compound objects, so if you'd like to refer back to that to understand what the morph is. For skin, this is to do with basically linking meshes back to bone structures and then using it to animate, and linked X form is a similar concept. So the two we're going to play with are melt and flex. So let's just get straight into melt. So here we've got an object that we've been playing with, and what we can do is we can tell it to melt like so, and it melts. Now it melts around the x-axis, so if I were to just remove that melt modifier and just rotate this object over so it looked maybe a bit like an ice sculpture like so, then reapply the melt modifier, like so, and there it's going back to the x-axis again of the object. What we can do is we can rotate the gizmo like so, and we can move it, and now we can see how that melts. So there we can see it melting. Few of the controls would be spread, basically how far it's going to leak out. We can change the type of object that we're simulating melting from ice, glass, jelly, plastic, or we could build a custom, and then we've got the axis of the melt. So it's quite a fun little tool, and we'll talk about how to animate tools like this in the animation section of this CD.